Here's how to buy Apple stock using Robinhood. First, you'll need to deposit money into your Robinhood account. From the home screen, click Buying Power, then select Deposit Funds. Choose your linked bank account and enter the amount you want to deposit. For this example, we'll deposit $20 as a one-time transfer. Review the details and click Transfer to initiate the deposit. Robinhood may provide an instant deposit, allowing you to invest before the bank transfer fully settles. Once you have buying power available, you're ready to purchase Apple stock. To find Apple, click the search icon and type either the company name or its stock symbol, AAPL. Select Apple from the results. On the stock page, you can review its price, performance, statistics, news, analyst ratings, and other information. When you're ready to invest, click Trade, then select Buy. Robinhood allows you to purchase fractional shares, so you don't need enough money to buy one complete share. Enter the dollar amount you want to invest. For example, you could enter $1 to purchase a small fraction of an Apple share. Review your order, then swipe up to submit it. Once completed, your Apple investment will appear in your portfolio. That's all for this video. Thanks.